Hey guys, Chef Zach here. Now you may be wondering why I'm wearing a lab coat and holding an Erlenmeyer flask. And that's because today we're going to be baking with Bacon Up. And as you know, baking's a science. Now I prefer to cook in an apron. So today we're going to be baking chocolate chip cookies. Yes, Bacon Up chocolate chip cookies are a thing. Today's recipe comes to us from Bacon Up's own Maggie, who happens to be in 6th grade. Here's what we're going to need. And of course, our secret weapon, Bacon Up. Bacon Up comes in these 1-gallon buckets. And this liquid gold will give you the best cookies on the block. So we're gonna lay our bacon out on a bacon sheet lined with parchment with a drying rack on top. That's gonna allow any excess fat to drip through. You may be asking yourself if you can use pre-cooked bacon or bacon bits for this recipe. You can certainly sub those. I like to go with the real thing and cook my own bacon. So now that our bacon's done, we've let it cool for about 10 minutes so it's cool to the touch. We're gonna give this a rough chop so we can put it straight into our cookie batter. So first things first, we're gonna cream our butter and sugar together. We're gonna cream this on a low speed. We're gonna pour in our white sugar, as well as our brown sugar. We'll speed it up slightly to let that cream together. Once that's nice and combined, we're going to add 2 eggs. And again, go back to a high speed. That's looking good. We're going to add our baking soda, baking powder, kosher salt, flour, our secret weapon, Bacon Up, our bourbon, chocolate chips, chopped almonds, vanilla extract, and last but not least, our chopped bacon. We're gonna let this mix for another 30 or 40 seconds just till it combines, and then we'll lay out these cookies. And now for the fun part, scooping cookies. All you need is a clean sheet tray and 2 spoons. So what we're looking for is about 2 ounces per cookie. They don't have to be perfect, but we do want to leave a little bit of room so these things can spread out while they cook. You can see there's nice chunks of bacon in the cookies, tons of chocolate chips. That Bacon Up's gonna work just like fat would. So we took out all the oil. These already smell good. So here we have it, 12 cookies. They're ready for the oven. 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. We'll check them after 8. We're gonna pop these in our 350-degree oven. And this is our hardest part, waiting for Bacon Up cookies. Let's take these puppies out. Now you could let these puppies rest, but let's be honest, who's gonna do that? So good.